We are at our new Airbnb now. We're throwing it together. Layla's back there. Layla, time to wake up. Big stretch. It is Halloween and Layla's very first Halloween. This is what my nipples feel like from breastfeeding. Back in the car.
No, I don't want to yawn.
We are running some errands today.
I can feel it coming.
We're gonna try to get Connor a new phone.
Oh God, oh God.
Oh my goodness. We have a couple returns to do, and then we're getting Chick-fil-A right now. We're in the Chick-fil-A drive-thru. I got
my lactation smoothie.
Oh, yeah. He's worried about eating anything that says lactation on it.
No, I just don't.
Well, you were. But I'm like, it's not any different. It just has like more oats in it. Well, not that obviously, but like oats, a couple like ingredients that are fine for, it's not gonna like make you lactate. So we are in the Chick-fil-A drive-thru right now, and then heading to do those errands, and then going to his parents for dinner. Why don't you watch the road?
Well, you just do your vlog. Let me drive.
It's a vlog.
Whatever.
Vlog. Oh, we had Layla's 2-month appointment yesterday. She got her shots. It was so sad to watch that. I tried the grilled chicken club from Chick-fil-A. It's super good. I get that and then fries and Chick-fil-A sauce and half water, half lemonade, because their lemonade is very sweet. And I like just a little bit of sweetness.
Dumb it down.
Watered down. You even said it's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
Because you got lemonade yesterday, or whenever that was. We're getting Chick-fil-A 2 days in a row, right? That was yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday lunch, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Little mukbang.
That's what you do when you have kids.
Mm-hmm. This is like us going out to eat.
It used to be nice when you could sit down at a restaurant.
Right.
Enjoy a beverage. Good food.
We did for how many years? There was barely any bacon on this, and the smallest piece of chicken this time. I'm trying to shove food in my mouth because I need to go in and do this return. And she's crying and we're not moving. Are you smiling? So I told Conor yesterday I wanted to start eating healthier. Super healthy.
What do we need to get for furniture before Saturday?
I wrote it on the paper. Sofa, coffee table, end table we have. TV stand, TV.
What do we need to get before Saturday?
Pull up the list.
It's a generic list. Like, what are we getting from Wisconsin to go down there?
Whatever we can find on Marketplace.
These are not good answers.
What do you want me to say? I don't have any good answers for you. Whatever we can find, I've reached out.
We have a bed down there.
There's a bed, yep. I ordered a bed frame already.
When is it being delivered?
Thursday to Keisha.
Awesome.
It's gonna be a very simple setup since we're moving the people from Broadway. Is that enough info for you?
No. We still gotta figure out.
Yeah. I'm running. Shoot, is it heavy?
No. If you can't get it, let me know.
Alright, we can throw this away then.
You want me to run it in there?
I might have you do it. Yeah. Why don't you do it? I'll take it. Back at it. Heading to Dubuque. We are finalizing, we just got here actually. We're finalizing one of our Airbnbs because we have people moving in from another property. So we got Layla back there sleeping. I think she's still sleeping. Yeah. It's gonna be a quick day. We have a quick turnaround for this, so it's not like, we're not adding anything super fancy to this, just putting stuff in there to get these other people moved over, and that's it. So it's gonna be today is Saturday. It's actually beautiful out for once. It's been so rainy and gloomy all week, so that's what we're heading out to do. We are at our new Airbnb now. We're throwing it together. Layla's back there. Let me show you a little tour, just a quick one. Kitchen area here, a little dining area. It's got this slant because we're on the 3rd floor of a building. It's a little slope there, so it has these smaller windows here. And then living room space, we just kind of have this thrown together right now. It'll change once these new, once these new renters are out. And then we have a bedroom here. Just a little space. Hang on.
Bed frames used to be 4 pieces.
Oh yeah, this is like a million pieces. This is like the one at our house. But it was cheap, that's why. We have the mattress here. 2 closets in this room. Same type of slant slope with the ceiling. There's bathroom here. It's got laundry in it. Tub. It's a little like compact, but sink area, and then yeah, back here is laundry. So it's a little cramped here, but you can still fit through it. They made it work. Conor's setting up the platform bed frame. There's so many pieces. He goes, oh my gosh. It's a nice one though. He's not having it. I'm cleaning dishes over here. We got a loaded vehicle back here. Pots and pans, housewares, all the things for the place. We're gonna go back and set it up and then hopefully get it all done and head home within the next hour.
We forgot something.
We'll see. I'm sure we forgot something. No, I got the bath mat.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Sick!
I couldn't find them at first, but then they were in the aisle over. Oh my gosh.
With me tonight.
Such a beautiful sunset though. Last week when we drove down it was super rainy, and today it was nice and sunny. We got to see all of the all of the pretty leaves, and it's so pretty, the bluffs and all that. Driving down to Butte. Will you stop? It was a long day, but not bad. Stop. Okay, goodbye. My brother, Aspen, you can't see, oh, you can just see her butt. Connor, me. We just went to my stepdad's, well, my mom's house to surprise my stepdad because he retires tomorrow. So we went and did that, and now we're heading home. It is Halloween and Layla's very first Halloween. I cannot wait to show you guys her little outfit. I'll show you when we get home. Connor left his outfit at home, and I had mine and Layla had hers, so we just took pictures over at my mom's house. I'll insert them because they're so dang cute, but I'll show you her outfit when we get home because she's adorable. Hi, sweetie. You a little shark? You a little shark?
Mm-hmm.
This is what my nipples feel like from breastfeeding. The little shark getting at them. Aren't you just the cutest? Oh yeah, she's over it. She's over it. Okay, okay. My little mullet girl here. She's got hair from like here on down. Too funny. I didn't have hair until I was like 2, so we'll see when she gets hair. I did not get a lot of sleep last night. Today I'm gonna try to get some housework done and then maybe some of my own work too, but we were gone pretty much all weekend, so this house is a disaster. I have laundry over here, dog toys everywhere, baby stuff to wash. My face is breaking out so terribly right now too. I think it's probably because I've been eating so crappy, but I'm trying to just get back in to the groove of everything. I need to get this house clean is priority number 1. So I figured I'd just take you guys along with while I do that today. Also, I'm baby wearing her right now, and my outfit is super cute. So just warning you now.
Tonight we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
So I've been sitting here getting a little bit of work done while she's been sleeping next to me. She's sleeping in the Snuggle Me lounger. I know it's not sleep safe, but she is right next to me this whole time she's in there, but usually she's either in her bassinet or her crib. We've been doing at least one nap in her crib every day, and she's been, I shouldn't say every day. There are days that she doesn't, but I try to at least once per day because they say to try to like practice naps in there. So we've been doing that, but I just started taking her out of her swaddle, and we swaddle her when she's napping. I learned that from a class that I took to make sure to swaddle right before naps so that she associates swaddling with nap time. So she's been sleeping for a while. I want to show you her little hands up if she does it this time, but here she is. I just started taking her out of her swaddle. She is just out. Look at this. Hi, Layla. Time to wake up, sweetie. Oh, here we go. Well, Kobe will wake her up if no one else does. Okay, I can't do the Velcro while I have one hand, but there. Oh, and a toot. Nice. Kobe, stop. Layla, time to wake up. She usually puts her arms right up over her head and stretches. There they are. Time to wake up, little stinker. Oh, good morning. Oh. Yes. You guys have bugs. Are you ready to wake up and eat? Oh. There's one. Oh, there they go. Oh, arms up. Big stretch. Big stretch, Layla. She hasn't even opened her eyes yet. Are you ready to wake up and eat? Hey, little chunk. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Oh, there's a big stretch. Big stretch. We just got done at American Family Children's Hospital. Layla had her heart echoed today. So for those of you that don't remember or didn't know, Layla had, when she was in my womb, we did a fetal ultrasound, or what is it? Fetal echo. So when she was in the womb, we looked at her heart because they saw some abnormalities on a 20-week ultrasound, the anatomy scan, excuse me. And they saw little holes in her heart. So they wanted to do an echo once she was born, which they did within 24 hours. I think I shared that on the birth vlog. They wanted to do an update within, or just after 2 months. So they just did that today, and she is VSD free, so no more holes. We're so excited. So happy. Yeah, they said baby. Happy healthy baby. So that was her last really like follow-up appointment because she had her hip ultrasound that we did. That was clear. This is Garver right here.
What?
Yep.
Damn, G.
We're going to the Garver feed mill in Madison right now.
We're going on a date.
Lunch. We're celebrating.
Lunch date.
Time to celebrate. Let me show you what it looks like because it's kind of cool. My windshield is so dirty, but here is the Garver feed mill. It's got lots of like little stores and stuff in it.
Has this always been back here?
It's new after like a couple years old. I don't know. Nasala Kombucha's right there. I don't know where Ian's is, but yeah, it's a cute little setup. Super exciting news. We're gonna go celebrate with some lunch. Layla's hanging out back there sleeping. She's about due for feeding too soon, but so exciting. Such good news. Got the stroller. Hi, sweet girl.
Your thumb just looks deformed.
Connor did something to his hand. Yeah, it's like swollen. My wrist is swollen because of my, what is it called? Carpal tunnel still. So we have one pair of working hands. Lovely.
I got a left.
It's so pretty. Ian's pizza, so we stopped and got some slices at the Garver feed mill.
Good.
Ooh, that looks so good. So I got like a veggie one and then like a barbecue chicken ranch thing. And what did you get? Some potato something?
No, this is chicken, buffalo chicken.
I thought you got the potato one.
Barbecue chicken, and mac and cheese.
All right, and Layla's falling asleep, kinda. got some ice cream. I said on stories this morning that I wanted to be healthy, and this is not helping. We just got this shit got serious. This one's so good.
Alright.
You can't have any, Layla, sorry.
Don't forget your ice cream.
My hair is looking crazy right now. I just threw it up, but I am at the hair salon. I'm getting my extensions moved up. I think we're gonna cut my hair a little bit too, but I'm sad because the ends of the extensions are lighter, and you can't lighten extensions once they're dark. Like, you have to start with a lighter and then darken them. You can't go the other way around. So I'm gonna lose some of that like color, but I want it a little bit shorter just because like where it's at right now, it hits Layla when I'm feeding her, and I want it just like, I need a little mom cut. So I think that's what we're gonna do today. So I'll show you guys once I'm done. All right, we shortened the hair. Oh, my glasses. We shortened the hair, hopefully you can see. We went to like basically my length of hair. Much longer than I shortened it to last year. I did it like to here last year, but it feels really good. I just, looks like I have big knockers. I just put in my travel pump that I'm gonna pump on the way home since it's been over 3 hours. My mom's watching Layla right now, and she is feeding her a bottle. So pumping on my way. I'm gonna head home now, but all done. Currently sleeping while baby wearing. Connor is out mowing the lawn and then picking up leaves because it's that time of year. I'm just kind of trying to pick up around the house. I have to migrate my website because I switched servers or hosting sites, so I have to do that at some point today. This morning I worked on a collaboration. Anyway, just attempted to kill a spider. That's what I'm doing today. It is Saturday. Oops. It's gorgeous out. Hopefully we can get outside for a WALK. I don't want to say that in front of the dogs. It's been really cold lately, so I'm really hoping we can get out there. And then I have a lot of vlogs to edit. I need to edit these so that you're actually seeing them. So hopefully I can work on those today at some point. But she did sleep a good stretch last night. She has not been sleeping well this week. So last night was finally a relief to get her to sleep a little bit more. But that's what we're doing on this Saturday.